Did you know that a handful of tiny seeds often thrown away after carving a Halloween pumpkin could be one of the best things you eat for your heart? It might sound surprising, but it is true. These small green seeds are packed with powerful nutrients. They are not just a simple snack. They are a small but mighty tool for supporting your long-term health. We often look for complicated solutions to our health problems. We search for expensive superfoods, complex diet plans. They are sitting right in our kitchens, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. But modern science is now showing us exactly why these seeds are so good for us, especially for our hearts. Your heart is an incredible muscle. It works tirelessly every single second of every single day. It pumps blood, oxygen, nutrients to every part of your body. Think about what your heart needs to stay strong. It needs the right balance of minerals to keep a steady rhythm. Let's start with a very important mineral called magnesium. Many people do not get enough of it in their daily diet. This is a problem because magnesium is involved in over 300 different processes in your body. One of its most important jobs is helping to regulate your blood pressure. High blood pressure can put a lot of strain on your heart. High blood pressure can put a lot of strain on your blood vessels over time. It can increase your risk of serious health issues. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium you can find. Just a small serving provides a significant amount of your daily needs. So how does magnesium help with blood pressure? Think of it as a natural relaxer for your body. For your heart to pump blood effectively, your blood vessels need to be able to relax and widen. Magnesium helps with this process. It helps the smooth muscle cells in the walls of your arteries to relax. It helps the smooth muscle cells in the walls of your veins to relax. When your blood vessels are relaxed, your blood has more room to flow through them. Imagine a garden hose with a kink in it. The water struggles to get through, and the pressure builds up. Now imagine the hose is straight and wide open. The water flows easily and freely. Magnesium helps to unkink your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow smoothly. Eating magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds helps to ensure your body has what it needs to maintain this vital balance. Therefore, including pumpkin seeds in your diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your magnesium intake. Now let's talk about fats. The word fat can sometimes sound scary, but not all fats are bad for you. In fact, your body needs certain types of fats to stay healthy. These are called essential fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid known as alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Your body cannot make ALA on its own, so you must get it from the food you eat. These good fats play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart, particularly when it comes to managing your cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation throughout your body. Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in your blood. Your body needs it to build healthy cells, but having too much of the wrong kind can be a problem. High levels of bad cholesterol, or LDL, can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries. The omega-3s found in pumpkin seeds can help to improve your cholesterol profile. They can help to lower levels of triglycerides, another type of fat in your blood, and may also help to raise levels of good cholesterol, or HDL. Think of HDL cholesterol as the cleanup crew for your arteries. It travels through your bloodstream and collects excess cholesterol, taking it back to the liver where it can be removed from the body. By helping to improve this balance, the omega-3s in pumpkin seeds support the health of your blood vessels. They help to keep your arteries clear and flexible, which allows blood to flow freely to your heart and the rest of your body. Furthermore, these healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is now understood to be a major driver of many long-term health conditions, including heart disease. By eating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like pumpkin seeds, you can help to calm this inflammation inside your body. This provides yet another layer of protection for your cardiovascular system. Finally, let's explore the amazing world of antioxidants. You may have heard this word before, but what does it actually mean for your heart? Think of antioxidants as your body's personal bodyguards. They protect your cells from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. This damage is often called oxidative stress. It's a natural process that happens as a result of normal bodily functions. It's also from exposure to pollution and from stress. Over time, oxidative stress can harm your blood vessels and contribute to heart disease. Pumpkin seeds are packed with a variety of powerful antioxidants, carotenoids, vitamin E. These compounds neutralize free radicals before they cause damage. Blood vessels are especially vulnerable to oxidative stress. When the delicate lining of your arteries is damaged, it can become a site where bad LDL cholesterol builds up. That buildup leads to plaques. Antioxidants step in to protect that lining. Imagine your blood vessels as smooth, clean pipes. Oxidative stress is like rust forming inside those pipes. Rust makes the surface rough and leads to clogs. Pumpkin seed antioxidants act like a protective coating that prevents rust. They help keep the vessel lining smooth and healthy. That keeps blood flowing without obstructions, reducing strain on your heart and keeping circulation working well. Add antioxidant-rich foods like pumpkin seeds to your diet, and you give your body tools to defend itself. We have seen how the powerful nutrients in pumpkin seeds can do wonderful things for your heart. Magnesium helps to relax your blood vessels and keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. Omega-3 fatty acids work to improve your cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Antioxidants act as bodyguards, protecting your delicate blood vessels from the daily damage of oxidative stress. Each of these benefits is significant on its own, but when you combine them, you get a truly remarkable food for supporting your cardiovascular health in a holistic way. The best part is how easy it is to add these seeds to your life. You do not need to follow a complicated recipe or spend a lot of money. You can simply enjoy a small handful as a snack in the afternoon. You can sprinkle them over your morning porridge. You can sprinkle them over your yogurt. You can sprinkle them over a fresh salad at lunchtime. You can even blend them into a smoothie to get a hidden boost of nutrients. Finding a way to include them that you genuinely enjoy is the key to making it a lasting habit.